All right, let's directly cut across to Uttar Pradesh. Subrata Roy, who was in Uttar Pradesh police custody, kept in a guest house, now being whisked away from that guest house. He will be produced in the Supreme Court tomorrow, the 4th of March. These are visuals that we are getting in from that particular guest house, which is primarily a picnic spot in Lucknow. He was awarded 3-day police custody by a sessions court in Lucknow, and now will be produced in the Supreme Court tomorrow, the 4th of March. We're going to try once again and patch you those visuals, exclusive visuals that we're getting in of Subrata Roy being whisked away from this particular guest house. He was housed in this guest house by the Uttar Pradesh police, which is allegedly being charged with being highly soft peddling this entire case. They had asked for police custody. He was handed over to them, but in that interim 3 days, Subrata Roy was free to meet his lawyers, his family, a constant train of visitors visiting him at this particular guest house. Now these visuals, the Uttar Pradesh police taking him from that particular guest house. He is to be produced in the Supreme Court tomorrow on the 4th of March. Well, he's being taken to Delhi as we speak. That's what we're getting in at this point of time. He is being taken to Delhi by road. It seems the Lucknow police taking him to Delhi by road. These are visuals of the cavalcade of the Uttar Pradesh police as they take him away. It's interesting. Subrata Roy seems to be traveling in a Mercedes. We're going to get details on that story as well, but let's cut across to Amir Haq, who's also on the phone line with us, going to be talking us through these visuals. Amir, can you get us up to speed with the latest details?
Well, Preeti, Subrata Roy Sahara has spent 3 days in the Kugrel picnic spot on the outskirts of Lucknow, and it was late afternoon today when the police kind of whisked him away from a back gate of the picnic spot and took him, by the road route via Kanpur and Etawah, and is moving him towards Delhi to be produced before the Supreme Court. Well, Subrata Roy Sahara, as is known, is known to be a very known face in the business circles here in Uttar Pradesh and elsewhere, and obviously it invoked a lot of media curiosity about his movement from Lucknow to Delhi, and therefore a lot of media crews were actually waiting from early this morning outside the picnic spot to catch a glimpse of him being moved by the UP police towards Delhi.
Amir, can you tell us, give us details on what vehicle is he traveling by, because it seems he's in his Mercedes.
Well, I'm not being able to see the visuals that we are running right now because he was really successful in fact, the police team that was whisking away was successful in duping the media teams outside. And these visuals have been caught in and around Unnao and Kanpur.
Okay.
The 4-lane way, the 4-lane expressway, which will take him towards Delhi. So, he was supposed to be taken in a police van because the court obviously forbids the use of any luxury vehicles or any private vehicles, to transport.
Right, we'll try and confirm that. We'll try and confirm that, Amir. We don't know exactly what he's traveling by, but that's the cavalcade. These visuals have been captured in Unnao, Lucknow, as Amir is pointing out, of Uttar Pradesh's cavalcade, which is ferrying Subrata Roy from Lucknow to Delhi. They've chosen to take the road route, and he would probably be reaching by late tonight in Delhi, where he will be produced in the Supreme Court on the 4th of March, which is tomorrow. And giving us perspective on Subrata Roy's day in Supreme Court is my colleague Jaskirat on the phone line with us. Jaskirat, what are we going to be expecting tomorrow?
Well, tomorrow about 2 p.m. he's supposed to be produced before the special bench that's hearing the Sahara Sevi matter in the Supreme Court, headed by Justice Radhakrishnan and includes Justice Kher. Now, they were unable to get any relief from it. That's Subrata Roy's legal team was unable to get any relief for him on Friday. When he, according to them, surrendered, and according to the Lucknow police, they were able to get hold of him and arrest him. They said that they cannot set up a special bench on such a short notice, so it will have to come up as scheduled, which is going to happen tomorrow. Now, it remains to be seen. Will he apologize in court for his what the court sees as a defiance, a repeated act of defiance, or repeated not following the instructions or orders? If he does apologize, there's a good likelihood that he's let off right then and there. However, he really did manage to get this bench very upset over the past few months. So will that anger subside just with him being produced in the court tomorrow, with the assurances of the refunds being given? Because let us understand, this is all about the contempt of court. This is a contempt proceeding going on.
He has,
So
but
not
just
following
he has already, even before he was arrested by the Uttar Pradesh police, he had already apologized in a public statement at that, saying that he apologizes for not turning up, but he had to be at the bedside of his ailing mother.
Count really, honestly. That apology has to come up in court from him. He was summoned. He was summoned twice.
Yes.
He didn't turn up the first time. Exemption plea was dismissed. He didn't turn up the second time. And in the very last minute, when he was supposed to be there, his lawyers come up with another reason for him not to have come up. Now, you have to understand that while the apology statement may have come out, at the same time, you could say in the public relations category also, let's say advertisements given on the daily newspaper, some statements that were made back in November and subsequently, and also a lot of Sahara subsidiaries or Sahara supporters have been making such statements which are not going to be taken very lightly by the Supreme Court. Certain lawyers have also tried to bring that to the attention of the Supreme Court, saying that they are disrespectful towards the Supreme Court. But that also remains to be seen whether they will be taking any cognizance of those statements.
All right, so Subrata Roy will face his day in court tomorrow. We're going to keep getting our viewers the latest details. Appreciate Jaskirat for joining us and giving us perspective on what exactly to expect in Supreme Court when Subrata Roy will be produced tomorrow morning. Just to give our viewers perspective on what they're witnessing on their television screen, well, that's the cavalcade of Subrata Roy on the Uttar Pradesh police, which is ferrying him. These visuals were captured near Unnao, near Kanpur.